Hi, this is Christopher Spera from itechgear.org, and I'm coming to you from a different location today. I'm coming to you from a recently passed aunt's house while I'm here sort of closing down the house. But I thought I'd take a quick moment and just do an unboxing of a Kickstarter project that recently delivered to me. This is the Redo Airbuds. Now, these are a true wireless earbud. It is something that looks sort of similar um, to an AirPod, and I haven't gotten into these or opened these up. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look and see how they look and fit. All right. We'll do a comparison, a live comparison here with the Apple AirPods in AirPods 2 in just a minute. So you open up the box; it just kind of slides out from the bottom of the case here. It just kind of slides out, and what you get and what you see are the actual earbuds. You get the wireless carrying case, and I'm assuming charging case. You also get an Android. No, I take it back. It's a USB-C type USB-C type cable, short cable, and you get a set of replacement earbuds or earpieces, and you get a set of instruction manual. All right, so let's take a look at the case first, and then we'll go ahead and jump into the earbuds. So the case in and of itself, sort of wrapped in this plastic stuff here. And it looks very much like an AirPods Pro case. It's about as wide as an AirPods Pro case. The logo on the back here, there's an on-off button here on the front, and then there's a charging light here on the front. You might be able to see that just a little bit. All right, you open up the case, and it automatically kicked this off. It flashed blue there on and off. I don't know if it's going to do it again. Let's try that. There it goes. All right. When you opened it up, the left and the right earbuds, left, right, sit in the case, and it functions almost identically and looks almost identical to an AirPods Pro case. It's going to have the devices themselves are just a little bit different shaped. Down on the bottom of the case, and there you go. I think you can see it. Those bright specks there on the bottom of this are the charging points for the earbuds. All right, let's take a look at the earbuds now. All right, so these are a little bit bigger. All right. Than I thought they were going to be. I didn't think that they were going to be as fat here. All right, I didn't think they were going to be as fat. There's a good view. You can see that those suckers are big. All right, and this angle here, this is not a movable. Let's undo that just a little bit. That's not. So this ear cup now is inside out, but you can see that the speaker for this is directed a little bit to the side. It's not in the middle. It's to the side a little bit. That is not adjustable. That's hard plastic there. And then they're labeled left and right. There's the L for that one, and the R for the other. And then the charging points are on the bottom, as you saw in the case. So depending on your ear hole size, all right, this is left. This is going to fit again. So these are going to fit like this, all right, like this into your ears, all right, sort of like that into your ears. This is left, this is right, all right. So these are going to go in here like this. Now these buds are probably a little bit bigger than I wanted it to be. As soon as you turn it on or you put them in your ears, as soon as I did, it sort of gave me a power on pairing message in the right earbud. It's not necessarily trying to pair to anything at this point. So I'm going to have to go ahead and run through the process here in the instruction manual. All right, but it's clear that, like the AirPods, they've got touch points here on the ends. All right, and that you'll see that the one is blinking red and black. I'm assuming that the other one would do the same. This one just didn't turn on. It may be out of power. The long and the short of it, though, I want to go ahead and just real quickly pause and then come back because I have to grab my AirPods. So just one sec. Okay, so this is the Apple AirPods 2 case. It is charged via lightning cable. Just it's not the wireless charging case. And this is the Redux Air Buds case. And as you can see, the AirPods case is a lot smaller. This one is a lot bigger, very much like the AirPods Pro case size. This one, all right, is, and I got to be careful here because the microphone may switch to these, but they're much smaller than all right, than the Redo. All right, as you can see, they're much smaller. All right, and they look much different. This has got your standard AirPods sort of or earpods sort of shaped to the earbud, and then the wireless case, while fully charged, at least in this one, you can't tell because it's, well, there it is. You see the green light there in there. It's all about the functionality, right? It's all about the functionality. These with your Apple devices, these just seamlessly go from device to device to device when you want to move from your Mac to your iPhone to your whatever it is, or to your Apple Watch, whatever. These will go ahead and just seamlessly run with just about all of your Apple devices, compatible with the entire Apple ecosystem. The Redo Airbuds, I don't know. I don't know how well they're going to work with within the Apple ecosystem. With the Android ecosystem, it could be a very different game. You could really have a seamless experience with it. I don't know how well these will actually. I'm certain that they will work. I'm certain that they will pair. But that seamlessness that you get, you open up the case, they automatically connect to the nearest Apple device that they are, in fact, the nearest activated Apple device that they are paired with. I have these paired not only with my Mac, but with my iPhone. My iPhone is in its case. It is sleeping. These would not necessarily connect directly to the iPhone. The Mac is active. It would go ahead and actually connect with the Mac, and has. All right. I don't think that that's going to be the experience here. All right. And that's just a matter of the chips that are in the firmware chips, or the hardware that's actually part of this. As opposed to this. This works within the Apple ecosystem. This may not. However, this is not to say that this wouldn't necessarily be a decent audio experience. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to play with these over the next couple of days. I'll have something back on itechgear.org shortly related to actual performance. This is Christopher Spera from a remote location, one time only probably, with the Redo Airbuds from a Kickstarter campaign.